It looks the same. So you might be wondering, how do we get from this locally saved copy and get it published to the official website, right? So going back to VS Code, just to show you from a different point of view, these are all the different files locally saved. And we made exactly one change, right? We changed this link here. And you might notice that there's a +1 here on the left. If I click on it, it actually shows the one change. So this is a perfect time to orient you. This is using Git. And you have to remember, VS Code is kind of our convenient command center for all things. And this is using Git. And here we have all the files in the File Explorer. And here in source control, this is where it ties in with this website GitHub. So I'm going to go back to GitHub. Again, this is all connected. But here, you might recognize this looks like the same file system. And when I click on 121 commits, it shows all the different, like the version history, every single commit. You know, some of them published correctly, some of them do not. But anyway, when we make a change, we'll see it here. And we go back to the code base. And this will be the published copy. Okay, there's a little bit more to show you later, but this is just very basically how it works. So I'm going to go back to source control, and here I might just put a little comment like update link. All right, I'm going to click commit and finally sync. So you got to click it twice and see it's building that new version here. And so if we go back to GitHub, if I refresh the page, see the last thing was update blog. When I refresh it, the update contact link, and it's pending, so it's currently building up the website again. I'll just keep refreshing it. Commit button just to show you from a different point of view. See, it's doing 2 of 3. It's doing some GitHub actions in the background to update the website. I'll show you again from this point of view. 1 minute ago, update contact link was changed. And now you'll see when I go to where'smiguel.com, in the previously loaded version, you can see in the bottom left here, I have the fillout.com link. When I refresh the page, cal.com link. I can test it out. And now it works the same as my local copy. So there you have it. I've used GitHub to update the website. And this is where you get all the version control, and it's connected to VS Code here. So I hope that makes sense. There's another element of GitHub that I want to show you.